Hey guys, thanks so much for taking the time out to watch this private video. In it I'm going to discuss why we use a funnel, two reasons why we use a funnel, and secondly I'm briefly going to go over how you can build one yourself. And the funnel that you'll see, you can have access to that, to use that layout free of charge, and my permission to use it as is or make any edits to it that you feel fit. So let's just first of all let's just take a look at the funnel. And this is the funnel. It's quite straightforward. You get a traffic source. I've just put these three in at the moment, which is Facebook, AdWords and YouTube, and we send that traffic to a landing page. The visitor to this landing page fills their email address in, and simultaneously the visitor is sent to a bridge page and their email address is sent to our autoresponder. And the purpose of the bridge page is basically to give the visitor more concrete information about the product for sale on the sales page, so that if they're interested and they click through to the sales page, everything is congruent. Okay, so let's go back first of all to the beginning and why we actually use this simple funnel. As I say, we start off with a traffic source. In this case I'm showing Facebook, AdWords and YouTube. Personally I'm using YouTube, and that is the training I'm taking at the moment, is to enhance my affiliate marketing with a YouTube channel. And of course that traffic is free. You can pay for ads on YouTube, but this training is how to get free organic traffic. AdWords and Facebook, now both of these are paid. There is a way to get free traffic from Facebook, but I'm not going into that here. So why a landing page? Why a bridge page? First of all, if you use Facebook and AdWords or any paid advertising, you cannot link directly from your traffic source to the sales page. They just won't accept your ad. Okay, so we put our own landing page here first, so that any traffic coming here adheres to any advertising criteria that they have about not direct linking. Okay, but the main reason, that's one reason, the second reason, which is what I'm doing, is a YouTube channel to generate free traffic. So we send that free traffic to our landing page that we own on our website. It's not ClickFunnels or landing pages. This is our own website, and we build the landing page. I'll briefly go over that in a moment. So we send our visitor to the landing page. They like what they read, they're interested, and they fill the email field in. And as I said earlier, simultaneously the visitor is redirected to the bridge page and their email address is sent to our autoresponder, and this is the autoresponder I use, which is get response. And if we just shoot through to my autoresponder, you can see there all my emails that are queued up that are automatically sent out to the visitor. Right, let's shoot back to the... So our visitor goes to the bridge page. On this bridge page we have more information, more detailed information about the sales page, about the product that's for sale, what you're offering. Okay, so you're warming your visitor up by giving them more information. If they're interested, and they click through, great. A sale is made, you get your commission. But in most cases, people won't click through straight away. They want to try and find out a little bit more information about the product and about yourself. Okay, so they may leave the bridge page and they're never ever gonna come back. Okay, so this is where your autoresponder comes in. By gathering your visitor's email address, you can contact them again and invite them either to go back to the bridge page or sales page, or as in our case, we give them more information and try and help them make the right decision. And that's what we're doing here. We are not just going out for the sale. Okay, this training I'm taking to take my affiliate marketing to the next level isn't about selling, it's about helping people, which ultimately leads to a sale. Okay, so that in essence is the mechanics behind this small affiliate funnel. Now, you can use this, you can copy this, you have my permission, you can copy it as is, or you can edit it. Okay, no problem, you can use this. So let's go back to my website. So how do we build our landing page? So this is my site, and first of all I'm going to take you to the plugin that I use. It's a page builder. You may even have heard of it, and you can see it here, Thrive Themes. And if we go to the dashboard, we use, or I use, Thrive Architect to build my landing page. And what I'll do, I'll leave a link up on the right hand corner here to another video I have on my channel about how you can build a landing page using Thrive Architect. And there's no monthly payments here, unlike ClickFunnels and lead pages. This is a one-off payment for the plugin. So let's go and have a look at my landing page, and this is it, simple. Okay, and this landing page only has two functions for the visitor. One, it gives them a little bit of an introduction about myself. If they're interested and want to find out more information, simply pop their email in there, click yes Mike, I'm in, and if you remember from the sales funnel, they'll be redirected to the bridge page, which will give more information about the product that we have on offer. Simultaneously, the email will be added to my autoresponder. And that is the only action other than leave. Okay, now there'll be some of you out there thinking, well, that don't sound good, but believe me, this is your first filter, because the last thing you want filling your autoresponder up are tire kickers, people that, yeah, just not interested. Right, this is your first filter. People that fill this email field in are interested in what we're talking about, and you give them more information on the bridge page. Okay, so that is basically how it works. You build your landing page, and as I say, I'll leave a link in this right hand corner to another video about how you can build a landing page similar to this using Thrive Architect. And all you need to do is copy this funnel and away you go. So in essence, simple, basic, straightforward affiliate funnel. Okay, now if you need any more information about what I'm doing, the training I'm taking to build my affiliate marketing out to the next level, then simply go to my channel and or even come to my landing page and pop your email address in here, and you'll find out more about the training and the strategy that I'm using to build out my affiliate business. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you found this useful, don't forget, go back to my channel and subscribe to reveal the notification bell, and hit that bell and keep yourself updated for future videos that I'll be uploading to my channel. And I'd appreciate a like and comment if you like. Let me know what you think of this video, and check out some more videos on my channel. Okay, so this is Mike from MikeLucasOnline.com. I'll catch you in another video. Bye for now.